Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you need to remove or replace oxygen sensor guys on BMW 1 Series guys. So stay with us, we will demonstrate on 6-cylinder engine, but even if you have a 4-cylinder engine, the procedure will be very helpful. We will demonstrate how to remove and replace oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1 and bank 2 sensor 1. If you have a 6-cylinder engine, you will have these two upstream oxygen sensors. If you have a 4-cylinder engine, you have only bank 1 sensor 1. Now make sure to stand till the end because there are a few mistakes that people make and that can cost you quite a bit of money, so we'll share that as we go. Why we're making this video guys, because many of you requested in the comment section below, you asked for that information, that's why we're making it. So if you have a problem, leave a comment guys, and when we have time we'll try to make a video. If you need to buy any parts, tools, oxygen sensor, anything for your BMW 1 Series, check out the link in the description of the video below. We share it guys for your convenience and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Number 2 guys, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let us show you what we have here. This specifically is N52 6-cylinder engine, but even if you have 6 or 4-cylinder engine guys, the procedure will be very similar. If you have N52, N53, 4 or 5 engine, the procedure will be practically almost the same. So let's go ahead, start on it and show you what to do now. But before we do that, let me tell you one thing guys. Check this channel out, How to Repair guys. This is our main channel, and on this channel guys we have helped more than 75 million people. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars guys on future car repairs. Before we remove the engine cover, let us show you guys. Oxygen sensors will be on the exhaust side of the engine. So when you face your BMW engine, usually the intake manifold is on the right side, exhaust is on the left side. And looking at it guys, okay, check it out right there. That's where the oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1 is located guys. This is bank 1 sensor 1. Okay, perfect, right there. And what about bank 2 sensor 1 on 6-cylinder engine? This one will be towards the back, okay, and it will be the second oxygen sensor for cylinder 4, 5 and 6. The first one, bank 1 sensor 1, is for cylinder 1, 2 and 3. The other one is for cylinder 4, 5 and 6. And the second one usually won't be visible. It will have that plate, and if you need to remove it, you have to remove that plate. We'll demonstrate how to do only one of them, but both of them are practically the same way. So we need to go ahead and remove our engine cover. Yours may differ depending on when your engine was built. There are a few different designs of engine covers, but remove it guys. And right here, those are the connectors for your upstream oxygen sensors. Now, you have downstream sensors too. The downstreams, they detect the catalytic converter activity. Those they are very important for the fuel-air ratio guys, so they're known as upstream. This is for bank 1 sensor 1, bank 2 sensor 1, bank 1 sensor 1 right here. So we're going to remove all the wiring harness guys. Okay, pull it out of there, remove the sensor, disconnect it now. Okay, great. Then you just come towards the back and pull it out. You have to kind of feed it so it doesn't get stuck somewhere. And I want to share something very helpful towards the end, so make sure you stand till the end. Now, that plate guys that we removed, it usually attaches with 2 bolts. Let me explain. With bolts like that. We removed ours because we'll be removing and replacing both of them eventually, but if you need to buy the special tool for that, for these bolts, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Another thing, usually those cables will be attached, okay, they will be attached right here guys, but this one moved a little bit, okay, they will be attached right here, okay, on that plate, so you need to disconnect them. And the 2 sensors will go in one clip, and you have this one over there, so we removed those already. Now if you have a 4-cylinder engine, you will have only one upstream oxygen sensor guys. After that, you need to get a special tool. The special tool is like that. It looks like a offset socket, okay, and not very expensive at all. I'll put the link. Makes your life so much easier. You can see how it's cut, go through the wires, you get on top of the sensor, you just get it where it's supposed to be. And you get a big, I would recommend even using the big breaker bar if it hasn't been removed for a long time. That sensor will be really stuck, believe me guys. And you start removing it. Now, while you're untwisting it, what we'll recommend, just grab the wire and you have to twist the wire, okay, counterclockwise so you can remove it. You can see just like that guys, perfect. Now, sensor comes out. This is what it looks like. This is your upstream oxygen sensor. They're not reversible due to the fact that they have a different length of wiring harness, guys. Now, if you need to buy some, what I'll recommend, okay, I'll tell you only one thing. Go, guys, with the original factory sensors. We've used aftermarket in the past. Some of them worked, some didn't, and some gave us terrible fuel economy. So, even though the original ones are a little bit more expensive, they'll eventually, guys, pay themselves off in no time. So, I'll put the links in the description of the video below where you can get new ones. Something else, guys, if you need to check them, test them, and see how to know if they're good or bad, we have a special video on the channel that explains that, how to test BMW oxygen sensor, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check it out. So check it out, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.